Hi guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my little kitchen. Now, sometimes the beauty of a dish lies in its simplicity and the way it's prepared. Today I'm showing you how to make Tarka dal, which indeed is earthy, comforting and has warm qualities. Now, before I tuck into this and tell you guys exactly how it is, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your bell notifications on, share these recipes with your family and friends. Let the word get out that the best recipes are on my little kitchen, yep. And now I'm going to try this and tell you guys how it is. You know, dal is probably one of my favourite sort of like dishes, and you know, it's so easy to make and it goes with rice, it goes with roti, naan, parathas, whatever you fancy. So here goes. Dal is cooked to perfection, so soft, melts in your mouth. Spices are perfect. And you know, you get that warm, fuzzy feeling when you take that first mouthful. Absolutely wonderful. Try the recipe out. So easy to make, and it's ready in under 20 minutes, and that's fantastic because you can just serve it up as a midweek meal. I'm going to leave you with this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. You know, let me know how you find the recipe in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll catch you soon with a new one. Till then, take care and happy eating. So the ingredients you're going to need is 250 grams of brown dal. This is the red lentils before they have their husk removed and are split in two. I've washed it and set it aside to drain. I've got here 50 grams of finely diced white onion. I've got here one tomato which weighed roughly 70 grams in weight, which I've roughly chopped up. I've got here 750 milliliters of water, which is 3 cups. And I've got here some spices. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, coriander powder and Kashmiri chili powder, which is going to add a really nice colour and flavour, but not the heat. And I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric powder here. Now for the tarka, I've got here 50 grams of unsalted butter. I've got here 10 grams each in weight of freshly grated garlic and ginger. So it was 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I've got here half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. I've got 3 green chilies here, which are bullet chilies, optional, but they do add a nice flavour, and I've just sliced them halfway up. And we've got fresh coriander to garnish right at the end. So let's start cooking. So in my pot, I'm going to add my water straight in and just allow that to come up to the boil. So my heat setting is currently on a 9, and I'm going to add my lentils in as well. So we're going to wait for this to come up to the boil, and then I'll show you what you need to do next. Right, okay, so once this has come up to temperature, we're going to turn our hob setting down to a 4, which is a low heat setting for my hob. There we are. And we're just going to add all our spices in, and also the chopped tomatoes, and just give that a mix. And then you want to pop the lid on, and you want that to simmer away for 15 to 16 minutes. You don't need to do anything to it, just allow it to cook, and I'll show you how it looks after 15 minutes time. Right, okay, so the 15-minute timer is up, and I'm just going to remove the lid and show you how the dal is looking. So you can see that it seems to be cooked, and it still has a little bit of water in there, which is perfectly fine. And the tomatoes have softened up really nicely. And now what you want to do is just turn the hob off and just set that aside, and we're going to prepare our tarka. Right, to prepare our tarka, which is the tempering, I've got my saucepan here, and to that I'm going to add my butter and just allow that to melt. Right, once the butter's melted, we're going to add our chopped onions into this. So we're going to fry the onions until they're nice and golden brown in colour, and that should take approximately 3 to 4 minutes. My heat setting is still on a 6, and they're going to be fried on a setting 6, and I'll show you how they look once they're done. So as you can see, the onions have now turned a nice golden brown colour, and into this I'm going to throw in my cumin seeds. Just give that a mix, and also at the same time I'm going to throw in the ginger and garlic, and just allow this to cook for about a minute or so, just until we get rid of the rawness, and just keep it moving because you don't want the ginger and garlic to be in one place, otherwise it will burn. And just to show you, this is how it looks. Absolutely wonderful. The aroma is so amazing. I'm just going to set that aside and just bring my dal back to the hob again. So the dal is back on the hob again on heat setting 4, and I'm just going to add the tarka straight in like that. At this point, I'm also going to throw in my green chilies, and I'm just going to give everything a mix. There we are. And what we're going to do now is another crucial step is we're going to pop our lid back on again, and we're going to let this cook away now for a further 4 to 5 minutes. Because we've added that tarka in, we want the flavors to sort of like mix into that dal and really sort of like, you know, become concentrated in flavor. So that 4 to 5 minutes of simmering away will give, you know, the best flavor ever. So I'm going to see you guys back in 5 minutes time, and then we'll be ready to finish the dish off. Right, okay, so the 5 minutes are up and the dal is perfectly cooked and ready. I'm just going to turn my hob off, and I'm going to remove the lid to show you. Now, to finish the dish off, all we're going to do is we're going to take some fresh coriander and just throw that on top like that, and just stir it through gently. And there you have it, guys. My brown lentils, also known as whole masoor dal, is ready. So let me plate this up and show you guys exactly how it is.